Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can design a social media post for a doctor in Photoshop. Let's get started. To create a post, first we need a template for your design. And today I'll be designing a Facebook post that is mainly in a square with 1:1 ratio. For a template, we need to go to freepik.com. And in the search bar, just write doctor and hit enter. As we need a template for our Photoshop, we need to click on the PSD. And here are many options for you. You can select any of these. By this method, you will be able to edit every one of them. You just need to make sure that you are selecting the PSD format. As we are doing the square one, so we will be using the square post as well. This one looks good, so let's just try this one. As you can see, it's in square, so let's download this one. Open it up, and now open the PSD file, that is the Photoshop. And there you have a template for your social media post. Let me show you how you can edit images or change colors or add the text. Let's get started. I'm going to put the layer panel here, and now let's add the image. Just double click on this. It will open up another page. I'll be pasting the doctor image that I have downloaded before in here. And just click on this tick mark, and I will delete this one and click on save and save this. After saving, you can see this image is here. Let's adjust the photo again. I'll be transforming this and flipping it vertical and hit OK, and again save. And there you go, now your picture is here. And now let's edit the text and the color. And now let's edit the text and the color. To edit the text, you need to click on the type tool. Now click on the text that you want to edit. You can write about your description here. Once you're done editing the text, just click on OK. And you can do the same with the other headline as well. And now to change the color of these, you can simply select the layers that you want to change the color of. Select this one, this layer, this one. After selecting all of these, just click on eyedropper tool and select the color that you want. And after changing the colors and finalizing your post, just simply click on the file and click on export and save for web legacy. And here you can select the format that you want your image to be. I will select the JPEG, keeping the quality to highest, and click on save. Here you can select the location that you want to save and hit on save. And there you go. And now you know how to design a social media post for a doctor in Photoshop. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.